All right, guys, I got a letter from college for me. It's crazy. You got it here, bro. My address right there, doxing myself. Oh, can't beat it. Got the stamps. It's a QR code. What is that? That's a crazy QR code. And it's sealed. Bro, we're gonna break this seal right now. That's a good sticker. All right, here we go. Here we go. Boom, open. You ready for this? This is gonna be insane. Bro. This is it. This is the legendary APUSH exam. And under it, we got the APUSH exam. And then with that, another how many APUSH exams are there? Oh my gosh. And then we got calculus. Bro, we got the calculus exam. And we got that physics exam right there. So I went through all of the exams. There's some crazy stuff in there, right? First, I want to show you this APUSH DBQ. This thing, I popped off. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whole pages in this baby. Oh my gosh, that's a long DBQ. I just keep on going on and on and on. It's so boring. Ugh. I think it just gave me the points just because of how boring it was. Right here, we got the LEQ, baby. Look at this thing. 2 pages. Legendary graphs right there for econ in the APUSH exam. I know. I didn't know what I was doing, but I got a 4. So I'll take it. And then, let me see, where is it? There it is. Part 3 of the APUSH exam. This thing was huge. I forgot how big this thing was. It was like hours of test stuff. This thing, SAQs, they were cool. I don't care about the SAQs. Although there were some funny, words in here. It's pretty based, Talking about, I don't know, let's see if you can use it. There it is. That's a bad word right there. Prostitution. Yeah. Some crazy stuff in this SAQ, bro. Can I say, women's empowerment. They got their own jobs in the Wild West. All right, next exam, calculus PC. I popped off, bro. This got a 5 on it. You know what I mean? Oh boy, this thing's huge. It's got like, let's see, I think 16 pages of this. How? There's so many pages. And look how much space they give you. You just gotta go. Woo-hoo. Bro, I went crazy on this. Showed my work. Look at all these words, bro. Look at the words. It's like mostly words. I don't know what was with them, man. Got the integrals, got the derivatives. I don't even know what this is. What? I don't know. But a lot of stuff in here. I went crazy. So many words. Images, words. Like, look. Ooh, so many words. And then blank. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Leaving blank space, man. It's crazy. Filling everything up. This question, got it completely wrong. I don't know what I was doing on that one. This one, woo! Thank you, Mr. Tran. Came in clutch. The DI method. Red pen, black pen, I think. That guy, goated. Use him if you can. The ladder method, yes. Leo exclusive, you know it. Love it. Bro, it keeps on going until you get to the end, and I'm like, I just give up basically. Although it seems like, oh, that's right. I still wrote stuff. All of this is wrong. It was just a guess at the end. Awesome exam. And then the moment you've been waiting for. AP Physics, C Mechanics. Oh boy, this exam was crazy. FRQs are like what? Motor, pulley, angle, block, friction. What? Whose idea was that? Bro, what's wrong with you? Bro, look, that's so many. What? Look, how many people are gonna get the freaking arctan of h over x? Who's gonna come up with that? That wasn't taught to us. Bro. I had to go crazy on this one. And then, look at this. This one was the easy one. What? What's wrong with you? You got the impulse? Who uses impulse? I don't know. Graphs? What? I don't know what's going on here. None of this makes any sense. The only thing I guarantee you I got right. Oh, this line. You just draw a line. How hard can it be? You literally just draw a line between dots. Oh, how is that on the same exam as whatever this is? I mean, like, what? How is that on the same exam as this? Look at that. What is this? Oh, there's a pulley, and there's some other stuff, and then it gets harder as it goes, and you're like driving all the stuff on here, and it just like, and then it just gets worse and worse, and then this page. What the hell is this page? There's literally, I just went whoop, done. What is this? And then don't even get me started. What the hell is this? This makes no sense. I don't like this. Get rid of it, please. Dude, next year, you can't make this exam this tough. This was insanely difficult. I heard there were 2 parts. The other one was also hard. It had air resistance. And it was like, oh, air resistance? You can't do that to us on an FRQ. You're crazy. Look, College Boy. Look, thank you for giving me a birthday gift, right? All of this stuff. But please, just for the next, like, generations, go easier on them, all right? You don't need to know the air resistance of a pirate ship unless you're going to be a sailor. This is AP Physics, dude. You don't need to be... What's wrong with you? Just give us, like... Do you know how many kinematics I did? Do you know how many kinematics? Do you know how many times I used the kinematics formula? Oh, let me see. 0. I know it's 0. I was very angry about that. You need to get your act together, all right? Next year, get your act together. You better. I know. I'll let you off the hook this time because, you know, oh, COVID. Last year we didn't know what we're doing, so this year. No,